Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting ready to install the Light LEDs from Morimoto, and so far the only thing I've done was take off the front bumper. I'm going to take you along my journey of putting these in. These are pretty much it. You take off the headlights, and you take out the lens, you put in the new LEDs, you plug them in, and that's pretty much it. A little time consuming because you got to take off the bumper and then take off the headlights, and you got to deal with the sealant that's in the headlights. Kind of a pain in the butt, but not too hard of a job. And if you don't know how to take out the headlights, there is a really good tutorial online, which I'm going to link in the description. I'll tell you everything you need to know. Just testing out the lights, see if they work, and holy crap, they are bright. Look at that, they are just blindingly bright. Can't wait to see them inside the headlights. Holy crap. Letting that adhesive fall out naturally. Look at that. That adhesive is a pain, man. It just gets in the way of everything. There we go. So I got a little touch up right here because that adhesive just took off some of that spray paint. And down here, so it looks like I have to redo that again. Just great. More work. See how it fits inside the headlight housing, and perfect fitment so far. Okay, so I'm testing it out right now, and the difference in light output is just night and day. So this is the old one with the one LED, and this is the Morimoto Light LED, and holy crap, this thing is bright. Wow, the difference is just amazing. Look at that. You probably won't be able to tell on camera, but in person it is night and day. All right, so once you have everything installed, so you're going to take this provided yellow wire. We're going to connect it to the little box that it comes with. You can't see it, but if you rewind, you'll see the whole kit. So the little black box comes with this little orange wire, and you're going to connect the T-tap to this blue wire, and then you're going to connect the orange wire into that T-tap so that you're going to get the switchback function. I'm going to show you in just a minute. So this is the switchback function. So when you turn on your turn signals, it will go from white to amber. So I just put the hazards on, so the white LED is not showing. There you go. Almost done. Just got to put the bumper back on, and I'm all set. So I'm out here getting gas in the daytime, and this is how they look in the day. Those are bright.